starting with the most scientific valuation method, which is your gut feeling. What is that your stomach tells you when it comes to valuation? Why is that so important? Because that's your company. And when I come to you and I tell you, look, I'm going to invest $200,000 in your company, and I want in exchange of that cash 20% of your company, just right now you feel it. You feel if it's right. You feel if it's wrong. By the way, I just told you I value your company at $1 million, and you may or not believe it's all right. It's very important because at this specific moment of your growth, which is your first round, your pre-seed, seed round, and maybe even to A round, you are in control of the cap table, of the shareholding of that company, so you know what you can take and what you cannot take. And the truth is that you can take that decision right now, say yes or no. The big issue with the gut feeling valuation is that it's very volatile. Let me give you an example. Just before I gave that proposal to you of $200,000 for 20%, you had a meeting with the biggest retailer of your area. And this guy told you, look, I am very interested in your project. We're going to help you. We're going to open your network. We're going to help you sell. We are thinking maybe even to invest. If that happens and I see you 1 hour later, you will be listening to me, but you may even feel insulted. $200,000 for 20%. Man, we have the bigger retailer that want to work with us. So you're going to feel it's not enough money versus the percentage I'm asking you. But assume that same proposal 2 weeks later, just after you receive a call from that same people that just told you, we thought about it. I mean, your MVP is not ready. By the way, you're a startup, and we would be your first customer, and we cannot take that risk. Work on your product, sell a little bit, a few of your products, and then in 1 year down the road, we can talk back. Well, if I propose to you that same deal, $200,000 for 20% of the company, just after that meeting, maybe you say yes, and you don't feel that insulted. So you have to be very careful with the gut feeling method, but still, that's the minimum point. That's the point where below you'd rather close the company and do something else. And that's in your hands. Now, we have the minimum point of our negotiation. We need to work now on the maximum point.